How you doing, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm ThatGuyAdz, and today is part 2. So what's new? Alright, so I've taken off all the side mouldings, as in the side skirts. Taken off the side skirts. This in my hand here is the rear lip that came. I need to return it because it is for a coupe, which I didn't realise I ordered a coupe instead of a hatch. So I'm just waiting for the Vogue silver that these Hondas are, waiting for that paint to come through. I've touched up the damaged, well, not damaged, but the scratched spots on the car, like, you know, that rear bumper there, the boot. I've also painted this recess in primer as well, and I've touched up the front bumper as well. So as you see there, that's in primer as well, and on that side as well. I've ordered a new grille, so that should be coming probably today with the paint. That should be coming today with the paint. Smaller number plates I've ordered. I'm going to take off the door handles and these door seals, along with the wing mirrors, paint them in primer as well, and get them ready for paint as well. So basically what I want to do is just colour code the whole car, because I just think it just looks so much cleaner. And then obviously once that's done, you know, clean up the car, nice coilovers, nice alloys maybe, but obviously I don't know what to get. That's why I need help from you guys, you know, tell me which parts to get exactly, or what coilies I should get, or which ones I like. I'm not looking to spend a stupid amount of money, but, you know, decent, average, you know, your average Joe price. So I forgot to mention, guys, I've taken off the mud flaps. I think to get these side mouldings off, you have to take off door cards as well as rear cards. Right, so I did start doing the trims. I got the front one on the arch off. I got the one on the door off. That's what I had to do. I take off the whole door panel. I mean, I could have just obviously yanked it off and maybe found these, but I want to kind of get to know the car inside out and whatnot. But on the other hand, this turned up, so let's open it and see what it is. So what is this? Oh yeah, it's the grill. Type R type style grill, I think. Well, that's what it says anyway. But coilies and alloys, guys, main two things. If I'm honest with you, coilies I don't really give a monkey's about what it is, but alloys, I mean, I do like XXRs, but I can't seem to find any that has a fitment that is really nice. I don't want like the, you know, fitment that pokes out and then you have to get stretched tires, then you have to flare the arches. I don't want to go through all that hassle. I want something just nice, sits nice. I don't want to do no camber adjustments, no nothing like that. So I mean, if anyone knows any similar designs or anything, I'm open to anything anyway, so let me know, and we can take it from there. So I'm now gonna get started on the other side. I still need to take off this side as well, the rear quarter panel. Oh my days, God help me. Alright, let me crack on. So guys, I have just about finished. Finally, I've taken off all the trims. So as you can see, all the door trims are off. On the other side as well, I've got everything on me. I'm going to go into the house, start sanding these, because these have that slight texture on them and it is pouring down. So I'm kind of glad I got it off. I was going to record it, but it just took too long. It took me about 2 hours. So yeah, I didn't bother. So yeah, I'm going to go inside, start sanding. Hopefully when the I'm going to go collect the primer in a bit, and then when the paint comes, we're good to go. So anyway, stay tuned. So update, all the parts came, front lip, silver paint came, a few other bits came. I started doing, see, look, you can see the side mirrors are color coded. I sprayed everything else and then yeah, it started like raining. It's like the wind was just horrendous, and it's just like paint just flying everywhere and whatnot. So I was just sitting there thinking, shit, how am I gonna do this? At that very point, I shit you not, a good friend of mine, he owns a body shop, @first_bodyworks. He messaged me on WhatsApp after seeing my first video, the part 1, and he was like, look bro, I know you're gonna do the madness to this car. Whatever you do, let me paint your bodywork. Let me paint all the stuff on the car. And I was like, what? I was actually gonna message you. So I'm here, I'm at the body shop. Aman's got one of the painters actually. He's repainting, he's re-sanding everything, he's gonna repaint everything. And guess what else happened? Bloody passenger side headlight started condensating, so when I get home I need to open that again, and just, oh, it's a headache. Strip all the glue, put it back together again, it's headache. But yeah, so let me introduce you to Aman. Oh, there he is, look, he's coming there, look. I'm gonna be doing a review on that soon. Oh, I love me a 32 noise. Sounds so nice. So guys, this is Aman, and he owns this body shop. He's a sponsor of the channel, so make sure you lot get to know it.
Yeah, just waiting for the the GTI ads, that guy adds the slogan to go on the jacket.
That's it. So I'm gonna be obviously getting mine redone, and he's gonna have his little logo on my jumper as well. So just tell the guys quickly what you do.
So we do all aspects of bodywork. We do accident damage repair, we do modifications, we do structural stuff as well, so jigging. It's a wide range of stuff that we do here.
So he is an approved body shop. Also, if you quote ThatGuyAdz and you contact him, you need some bodywork done, quote ThatGuyAdz, we'll look after you.
Yep, 100%.
Yeah, so obviously, as I said already, all the trims are off, all the spoiler, the front lip is off, side skirts, the rear number plate recess, front grille. I'm going to leave the mirrors on, and I'll set the rest of the bumper, the body. I'm going to leave that for tomorrow, come back here, and obviously finish the rest off. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. You can't hear me, but if you can, what's happening now is I'm getting my front bumper sanded down. As you can see, the 2 holes, they're gonna get filled with either fiberglass or I don't know how, like filler or something, I don't know. I'm getting the front bumper done. The back bumper's also getting done. The boot lid's getting done. You got the mirrors and all other trims, front lip, side skirts, door trims. Yeah, so really looking forward to it. I have to come back again and get a flat polish on place all paint. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm in the paint booth. I'm with Mirza. Mirza's actually gonna be painting this car, so yeah, I can't wait, man. I've seen some of Mirza's work, and it's just proper. Yeah, I'm so looking forward to it. Yeah, right now, what he's done is sanded down the bad spots on the car. He's filled them with fiberglass primer kind of thing. Yeah, fiberglass primer. And now he's just watering everything down, cleaning everything, making sure it's on point. And then I think he's gonna start primering it, sanding it all down first, primering it. I had 2 holes here. They were, I don't know what they were, but the number plate holes or something, so he's covered them up as well. And yeah, should be good to go in a bit. Primer stage, just letting everything kind of, everything's attached, everything's ready to go. All the panels and trims are here. Front bumper's done, you can see. He's obviously, I think there's a slight little hiccup on that side, but he's going to fix that. But the bumper's ready, like the bumper's all in primer now. So is the rear. I'm having to scream a little bit loud, make the shit out of it. So yeah, getting painted now, and you know what? I'm just super excited to see the outcome. I just want to say a quick shout out to First Bodyworks, who's sponsoring this channel, and you know what? A big thanks to Aman for actually taking time to squeeze my car in and get it done. Like, still waiting, so probably probably say about another 2-3 hours, and then the car should be kind of baked and ready. I'm not sure whether I'm going to leave it or drive home, but obviously my other camera's dead. I've got no batteries, everything. To be honest, I've got everything, but it's all in the car. And the car's in the oven, so yeah, I'm an idiot. But yeah, so let's see if I can get a bit of charge and get the final results. So I've come to pick up the car today. Everything's done. Well, whatever needed to be done is done, and there it is. As you can see, I've still got the side skirt to put on. And front number plate and the front lip. So I'll probably be going to Fayyaz to get that done. But obviously, look, the mirrors are done, the trim piece is done, the rear boot lid is done, the rear bumper's done. Remember I had that damage there? That's all gone. Obviously all that is going to be, I need to book that in again, but for what is, you know, for what he's done, I can't complain. Front bumper's done, grille's done, it just looks amazing, man. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get everything else fitted, and once everything's all done, I'll take it somewhere nice. I'll wash the car. I have to get FH Detailing, it's my other sponsor, FH Detailing. I need to get him to mop it down, do what he needs to do to it, and then put everything on, go somewhere nice, and get a montage for you guys. I've been to Fayyaz. I've done a lot. You're gonna see it in the next clips. We end up like doing everything that I said we was gonna do and more. We also did something else as well, which I'll probably get into afterwards in a minute. But I thought I'd just give you guys like a little hint. Say a big thank you to First Bodyworks for getting this done in a small amount of time. They actually pulled it off, and it come out just the way I wanted it to, if I'm honest with you. There are a few little bits and bobs that I still need to touch up on, but that's later in time. Obviously, it's a project build. I'm not looking to restore this car to full, you know, showroom spec or anything. Like, as long as it looks good, it's okay. And I also want to say a big thank you to FH Detailing. That's Fayyaz. Fayyaz owns a detailing company. I'm going to put his link in the description below, so make sure you guys check him out. If you're local to East London area, give him a shout. Yeah, do check him out. He's very good at what he does. And yeah, Aman, I know you're probably watching this. Big thank you, man. I really appreciate everything you've done for me. I really appreciate it. Make sure you all, if anyone needs body work done, go check this guy out. Top guy. Top painters, they know what they're doing. So I'll quickly tell you what I've done. So the rear bumper's been painted. I've now got my US spec, well, a Jap import plate. Fayyaz actually painted this satin black. I've de-wiped it. I need to get the grommet for it as well though. Me and Fayyaz actually painted the rear drum in black. We've painted the front caliper, extra 10 bhp there. We fitted the front lip. I've also, well, me and Fayyaz also raised the rear spoiler. That's a very common mod that everyone does on the Civics. It's like a little bolt, it just kind of screws into the existing one and it just kind of lifts it up. On the back, a number plate in the front, the grille's on, front lip is on. I've redone that headlight, so that headlight's redone now. I don't think I'm getting any sort of condensation now, so it should be okay. I've tiger sawed the whole surrounding. I'm probably going to do it to that one as well, but that one seems to be fine. I've not had any problem. Now the only thing I need to do is obviously just coilovers, alloys, and an exhaust system. Now, what me and Fayyaz done is we removed the rear box, so the rear muffler, rear silencer, whatever you guys call it. We took it off just to see how loud it is, and it's loud. I'm gonna run it like this for a little while until if I can see if I can find myself a nice little rear box. Guys, I want to say big thank you for everyone that's supporting the channel. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, smash that thumbs up button, and anything you want me to do to this or any suggestions, type them down in the comment section below. See you guys soon. Peace.